Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Chucky from Child's Play. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the mean eyebrow first. So we're going to draw the middle, it's going to be a U shape. And once you have that little curve, we're going to go up for the brow area on each side. So just curve it up and then just kind of come back down. So on this side, same thing, just go up and then come back down. I know it looks a little bit strange, so let's go ahead and draw in the eye so we know where we are. So here's the brow area, right underneath here on the side. Just gonna draw two curves like this, and this is gonna be the top of his eyelid. And then from those curves, I'm just gonna come down, just kind of round it out. All right, and then to finish up the eyeballs, just two dots in the centers. Makes it look nice and creepy. Okay, so we'll add in some more detail later, but let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the face first. So for his nose, just right in between the eyes, it's gonna be a little bit smaller. Just draw a little bracket and then draw one curve around it. And then for his mouth, just one line across first. And we'll have the mouth open, so on the bottom here, just from the corner, just come down. And then for the lower lip, we'll just add in one little line like this to give it some thickness. On the corner here, and this is important, just draw two slants going out. Okay, so now let's draw in the shape of the head. So on the side right here, just gonna draw a big bracket right around to the mouth area. And then once we have this, we'll just come in. It's gonna be a little bit sharper. And then just close it off. Alright, and then for the details here, we can make it look a little bit meaner. Draw another curve on the top here. Just right over the eyebrow. And we can add a little bit of the little brow here. Just kind of add a couple of lines like this, so it looks like he's got some kind of eyebrow. Alright, and then maybe even one little line in here. Alright, so now let's draw in his hair, and it's a little bit messy. So we're just gonna come up right from the eye area, just go up here. You can make a little point. Then right here, I'm gonna curve down and just connect this first. And then from this point here, we're gonna draw some strands of hair coming down. So I'm just gonna curve it into the head. Just add a couple of these little angles. Okay, and then whatever you have here, just round it out. And we'll close out this side of the face. Okay, and then for the hair on the side here, just come out to the side. I'm just gonna draw a couple of these angles as well. And come to this side, same thing, just kind of zigzag. Okay, and then from here, we're just gonna go all the way up. So we're gonna curve it up. Right about to the center right here. And then on this side, we'll curve it up, but just stop a little bit early because we're gonna add a little bit more strands going out this side. So now from this point here, we're gonna go out a little bit more. He's got really messy hair. And then here we're gonna zigzag. Just kind of come in and connect it. Or if you can't connect it, it doesn't matter. You can just draw more of these lines. It's really messy hair anyways. Okay, and then we can add in a little bit more detail. Let's say right around here. Add some lines like this to make it look like hair. And then even on the bottom here. Okay, so that's the head, and definitely very creepy looking. So now let's move on to the body. So he's wearing this little overall. So right in the middle here, just come down first, just come across, and then now on the side this is going to be a shoulder. We'll come out, come down, and we can actually connect those. So we just connect these lines. So this is going to be the strap for the overall. And then now we'll go down to his body. So this is going to be his hip area. Okay, so we're going to keep going down because it's just one continuous piece right here. So right in the middle here, I'm just going to add the one little line. And then go back to the middle. And add a little angle going out. So this is going to be his pants right here. Okay, once you have that, little bracket, come back to the center. So we're drawing his leg now. We'll close that off. And then we're going to extend it, just one little bracket. Because it's got this folded up a little bit. Okay, so same thing here. Little bracket, come back to the middle. Just move over a little bit and then same thing here, just close it off. And then we'll add one section. Alright, and then since we're down here, we just go ahead and finish up his shoes. So right in the middle here, I'll draw a dome shape, come down, just come out a little bit more on this side, close it, and then one line, details on the shoe, and then same thing here. Here's the middle, dome shape, just come out a little bit more on this side, close it. Alright, and then whatever space here, just add a couple of lines here so that looks like his leg is right there. Okay, and let's just go ahead and finish up the details in here. Two little circles right underneath this bar. And then it's got one big pocket in the center, so this one's easy. Just draw one line, come down, and then close it off with a little V shape. Okay, so now we can draw on his arms. So we'll come down a little bit right here. This is going to be his armpit. Go back to the shoulder here. Just going to curve all the way down here. This is going to be his wrist. So back to the armpit. Just curve and then close it off. So very simple shape for his arm. And we're adding one line here for the cuff. Alright, and then for his hand right here, just keep it simple. Let's come down with a little hook. That's going to be his thumb right here. And then draw one little slant coming down. So this is the inside of the palm, and here's the back of the palm. And then now we're just drawing the fingers. So for his fingers, we're going to come down, just curve it back up. And let's add one more right behind it. So one little bump. Alright, so the other side is going to be slightly different. His hand's going to be holding a ruler. So right here, let's draw in the armpit first. Okay, and then without drawing the shoulders, we're going to come out and draw his hand. So just come across. So come down like this. I'm going to draw like a little rounded rectangle. And then inside here, I'm going to draw two lines for his fingers. And then for his thumb, just come to the side here, just one little bump. Alright, so that's his hand or his fist. So now we just connect them. So from the armpit, just one little curve. And then here's the shoulder. Just gonna come down, come in, right over the thumb. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the ruler, and I guess you can draw a dagger as well. But I'll just keep it simple. So right here, just go up. Across, and then on the bottom, just continue this line. And let's add in some of those marks for the ruler. And that is it for this Chucky. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.